guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. By the title you already know, in today's video I'm gonna show you guys how I shoot YouTube videos or any sort of videos on my phone and edit on my phone. I get so many questions about how to start a YouTube channel and background, equipment, editing, etc, etc. There are so many ways to create content on Instagram or YouTube. We have expensive side, we have a budget side. If you're starting up, then the best way to go about it is starting with something you already have. In this generation, everybody has a smartphone. If you don't have a smartphone, then somebody in your family or friends has a smartphone, and you can completely ask them for the favor and use that for creating your content. You just need to know how. In today's video, I'm gonna cover exactly that. I'm gonna cover how to shoot and also edit videos on phone. So I am using iPhone XS over here. You can use the same apps or features in Androids and other phones as well. But before we start, if you are seeing this face for the first time and you like what you see, then please subscribe to my channel and ring that bell icon so that you get updated whenever I post a new video. And do give this video a big thumbs up. This will motivate me to do more and more content. So without any more blabbering, let's get into the video. Step 1. Setting up. Before we start using our phone to shoot, we need to set up. Unless you are like vlogging freestyle, you can just use the phone like this and vlog. But if you are doing that sitting and talking like I am doing currently, then you need a tripod. If you have tripod, well and good. But if you don't have tripod, best way to set your phone or your camera is using a pile of books, stools or boxes. Anything and everything to give your phone a height you desired and support it, holding it properly. You can use this sort of a phone holder that I got from Ikea. You can get these sort of a stuff in Amazon also. Piles of books or boxes, place your phone on that and you are good to go. Now shooting on your phone, you can use your front camera, but best quality of any phone comes with the back camera. If you use a back camera, then you get like best quality. Things I do while shooting using a back camera, because it's so easy to use front camera and just see and do. But if you are using a back camera and if you have to like frame it well and see if you're in focus and how things are going while shooting, then this is what you need to do. While shooting from back camera, then you need to see what's going on. So you can ask like a person to help you with it. You can ask like a second person to like sit and see if you're in a frame or not, or if you can ask them to sit on and then you can frame accordingly. But if you're shooting alone, then I got perfect jugaad for you guys. One of the options is placing a mirror on the front side of the phone as you shoot from the back camera. This way you can see what is in the frame and if it's recording stopped while you keep blabbering, and at the end of the day nothing really recorded. For all these things, mirror works the best. But apart from this, if you have an iPhone and a Mac, this is going to be really helpful for you guys. I did so much of research before I found this gem. Now I started doing few hairstyles videos for my IGTV. I'm just looking at my laptop over here and just explaining, and on these videos I need to focus on my hairstyle, like I'm on my back, so I just can't see what's happening. I can't even see the mirror and stuff. So what I do in this situation is I connect my phone to my MacBook Pro using a USB cable. Now open QuickTime Player, and beside recording button there is a small arrow. I click on that and select iPhone, and I see my camera screen as it records my hairstyle tutorial. Isn't it great, you guys? And you need not need any more expensive stuff. You just need a laptop and your phone that I already have. If you already have, then very good, but it's perfect for Mac and iPhone users. This helped me so much to save many blunders and avoid bloopers, and gave me perfectly what I want. No more focus problems or oh my hair strand is like peeping out from here and all. Everything is perfect because I know what I'm doing. Another thing you need to see is the space. Now how much your video is taking, and do you have like enough space in your phone. Now you don't want that no storage issue while shooting, right? So you can always select camera settings and select record video, and you can choose 720p HD at 30 frames per second. Now this gives you good quality and it is a space saver. So it gives you like a perfect YouTube sort of or Instagram sort of a content. Unless if you want to make 4K sort of for videos, this is like perfect. Now step number 2 is editing. Now there's so many apps that does work easy. Now these are the apps I use while editing on phone. Now first one is the iMovie, which is basic, and if you have an iPhone, then this is perfect for you. The other one is Inshot. It is great for editing videos and it's so damn simple, and I believe Inshot is also in Android Android. So yeah, it's a free software and you can use this. There's so many video tutorials on YouTube regarding InShot edits and stuff, where you can like use cut, use transitions, add text, add music, slow motion, and all that in InShot. And it's so simple, you guys. One pro tip for all of you to make the editing process easy: I first do rough cuts, which I use audio wave as my marker and cut all the parts without audio wave. Now all the blank parts are gone. Now this helped me so much while editing because all the rough stuff is gone and I have only audio parts. I can like easily do the editing now. Now if you want to add a little more flavor to your videos with FX filters, then Snow app is great for adding filters to your videos. Now they have free filters which are great. You can also add music stickers, FX, speed, and also trim videos, again same as InShot app. After you save this video, you are all set and your video is ready and you're good to go. There's so many free apps in the market for iOS and Android which are great for editing. I'll leave some in the description box, but these are the main apps I use. I like having only few apps, like minimal apps which I use. I don't want to have like all those apps which I don't use at all. So that is it, guys. This is how I shoot and edit my videos on phone. If you think I've missed on anything like a good app or any sort of a technique, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're new here, then hey, check out all the videos linked down below and also subscribe to my channel for more such content. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.